Remember, remember the 5th of November. Gunpowder, treason and plot. I know of no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgotten.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is the 5th of November, which is otherwise known as Bonfire Night. We've got a display going on in the background within the next hour and a half, and I'm going to have the drone up, which is really cool. I just wanted to basically say hi to the camera before the show starts, because I know... Anyway, this video is... I'm not sponsored by anyone. The fireworks display is done by the Royal Oak, which is there. And yeah, I'm cold. I'm gonna go and get a cup of tea. So I'll catch you guys later. Enjoy the video.
if I'm losing my mind? Would you lose yours with me? You make me wanna melt like butter in the pan. It's hard to keep my cool knowing I'm your man. So let's spend some time wasting it away. Your love is like music. You went and changed the game. We're breaking all the rules. My side signs don't match. Immigration issues trying to prove I'm with you. I'm gonna miss you. We'll hate to see you go. Wish time could just go slow. Will truly dim my heart. It's only time apart. In no time we gon' be right back. Right by my side like a monkey on my back. It's been a ride and we know we need it done. I guess you need the Lord.